Okay, so today we're doing a quick look at the Edge Tamers by R2 Manufacturing. These came recommended from another YouTube channel that I saw, and so I went ahead and made a purchase through R2 Manufacturing's website. And these are Edge Tamers, and what these are supposed to do is allow you to put your bucket in the float mode and level it out. And basically, when it's on the ground, it's not going to allow the edge of your bucket here, to scrape up any of the dirt or driveway or gravel or whatever you got going on, because it will ride on these Edge Tamers here. Okay, and they're, as you can see, they will tuck up underneath this bucket. We haven't done the install yet because that may be another project for a different day when it's a little bit warmer. We'll see. And we'll get you a video of that shortly. But basically, I had purchased these for use when I'm going to be moving snow, which, if we get snow, it's been unusually warm. This is middle of November here in Michigan, and there's no white stuff on the ground. But anyway, this will allow you to also, move dirt, gravel, whatever, without tearing up your yard. And in fact, in the video that I saw, he was basically skimming his grass and getting all the leaves out of his yard. It's pretty crazy. And there was absolutely no damage to his lawn. So these things are pretty heavy duty, nicely welded. I think each one of these probably weighs almost 10 pounds. Pretty incredible, actually. And essentially all you do is you bolt it on to the lip of your bucket, as long as your bucket does not have a bolt-on edge. And this is a welded one. And as for how many you would need for your bucket, they have a description that tells you that basically if you have a 60-inch bucket or larger, which is what I have, you are recommended to have 3 4-inch wide Tamers, one for each side and obviously one in the center. If you have a smaller bucket, you can get I think it's a 3-inch Tamer, and you only need 2. But for my purposes, I was going to get 3 anyway, and it may not hurt even if you have a smaller bucket to get 3, just to have that extra protection in the center, especially if you have any kind of sag or dip in your bucket. So we're going to get these installed shortly, and we'll show you the installation process and hopefully these things in action. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. On to the next.